guys almost missed it. Sean and I have already started running our twine on SHO'NUFF. Pretty excited. We're gonna lay this all out. We're gonna tie little knots off to all our little wire extensions of where all the sensors will go. So we'll run through this entire thing, pull it out, and then we can really put it on a bench or hang it on a wall, and we can just build our harness and get this thing running and looking good, dude. Heck yeah. SHO'NUFF. I'm pretty stoked. So we're gonna get started. I already started running into the car, so we're gonna run that, get our form, make everything look real clean, and then like I said, pull it out, keep rocking. So all right, let's get to it. So while I'm running the twine out to my furthest point, now I started with the ECU. So let me back up for a second. I jump ahead of myself sometimes. So I started right here, and this is where it plugs into the dash. That's gonna run through. The longest point here is gonna come around and come to this headlight. So from there, I'm just gonna, basically I'm tying off to all the little things. So like this one right here, this will end up the water pump. Right here, this will end up 2 fans, etc. So we're gonna run the twine like that all the way through. Sean is making little labels to put on everything as we come around. So we'll just keep tying off, and then this way we can even walk around it, and if I miss something and Sean's scanning, he might say, hey, you missed this, add a pigtail to it, and we can keep moving on until we get this whole car's harness laid out, and then we simply undo the masking tape, pull it through, and start the project. So pretty excited. Pretty cool.
Absolutely. Caught me while I'm right.
I know, he's focused. All right, let's get back to it. I hope you enjoy the time lapses. All right, let's go.
What happened with the camera? She don't want to stay there?
She don't want to stay.
Because she want to run.
She want to run, that's for sure. How's it going, James?
I don't know, I was just trying to see why that camera kept falling.
Yeah, I don't know. It's really loose here.
Yeah.
Right here, click, 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 click. Ooh, that's terrible.
Where are you sticking it to?
All right, so this is where we are. I'm on the second injector harness now. So that'll be 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then I'll tie that into my little twine back in here, right in this area, and keep plugging away. I just gotta go to all the little blue tape spots and we're good to go. Twine cooking.
Twine's cooking, masking tape's peeling.
SHO'NUFF.
Whoop, whoop.
SHO'NUFF.
So I'm thinking the boost solenoid, that CO2 one, can go right here in the tray. Because then, look, for these, we can get those like firewall ones, right?
Yeah.
So like if we burn that line, it's just a short little piece.
All right, so Brent's bike has been sitting up there with that other one for a while.
Yeah, it has.
We decided to make sure he doesn't feel old anymore.
I feel old already.
So we drug it down, show him he's still young.
Yeah.
So what do you do? What'd Shane tell you have to do? Okay.
I'll crash maybe once or twice.
All right, cool. Hold on a second. Shane, not yet. We just put the other fuel in.
Here, Shane, you take this one.
All right, kids, don't try this at home, all right?
Yeah, right. Hold on, I gotta see if I can even do it. See if the brakes work. Maybe. Maybe. Let's see if it'll hop it off first. Try it this way. Oh, feeling it. Almost. I'll go baby decade. All right. Oh. Come on, old man.
Come on, old man. Oh. I wasn't actually supposed to say it.
Just gotta come up a little higher.
Send me an angel. Send me an angel.
Oh!
There we go.
All right, so we did that to make you...
Wouldn't it be cool?
We did that to make you feel young. Do you feel young or old?
He don't know yet.
We'll know tomorrow.
I'll get it.
The panic look on his face for a second is what's epic.
There you go, Shane. There's your decade. That was a good decade.
Well,
Almost did cool. Awesome. It smells better this way. Oh,
Dang, this thing's coming along sick.
yeah, man. This is awesome.
All right.
I'm loving it. John got all the little tape everywhere, so now I just need to build up to all his tape spots.
Yeah, so I went through the list and I'd write, you know, injector. So I wrote injector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you know, all on here. And then I started off, and then I could rip this off and put it where they were. And then Brent's adding his twine to everywhere I stuck a label. And that way we can pull it all back out and build the harness outside of the vehicle instead of being hunched over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Nobody wants those back aches.
Sean hadn't done it this way before, so he thought this was cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
It
Makes
is
it
pretty
easy.
It does. So I was thinking about this crank pressure. We could even just tap this front cover.
The timing cover?
Yeah.
Yeah, I said oil pan
Time cover.
or valve cover.
Oh, valve cover. Yeah, really. Cool.
And we might even be able to talk to a machinist, and whatever one of these holes we don't use, we could have a machinist little
Oh,
plug,
that's a good
and
idea.
then it just
That's-
bolts in.
Yeah, we'll do that.
The O-ring.
We'll do that.
That is a good idea.
But that sucks because I just labeled it here, but I can just undo that. That's the beauty, it's just twine. So I need another one that says crank pressure. Because I'm gonna do that no matter what. So what he said is, we have these two cam holes. So for a cam sensor, factory has a cam sensor here or a cam sensor here. So instead what we'll do is we'll make a little billet piece with an O-ring that just pops in, but it's tapped 1/8. So we'll just thread in a sensor and then we can read our crankcase pressure. So that'll turn out really cool, honestly. It's a really good idea.
Makes
John's
use,
over here thinking.
Makes use of that hole instead of just plugging a dead sensor in.
I'm good. I don't need you to write one because all I have to do is cut this off and tie it over here.
Oh. Word.
We're learning.
Hey, first time for everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
All right, we got another rip. See if we make some power. After you hit boost cut. That sounded good. Sounded good. Yeah, I like that. That's good. 432. You're all right. 432. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. She's pretty strong. That'll be a fun little car. Should go, I would say, mid-11s probably. Perfect for the street class. So Jamie's trying to get his car running a little smoother. I'm back here. I'm at the tail light. So I'm just kind of working my way in a circle here, getting all my strings. And looking really good. Lily. So Jamie ran his for a little bit, got it running pretty good. We're unstrapping this one, it's pretty late. I've got a ton of my twine just strung everywhere throughout the car. I still have a little bit more to do, to be honest with you. And I gotta kind of tie it up and then I'll trim for lengths. But yeah, so that's getting close. And I'm pretty stoked. Tomorrow PRI and SEMA come. Yeah. I'm excited about that and nervous. See how it goes. At least it's we're getting out. At least we're getting the information out, what's going on with us and this whole situation, and maybe we can reach others, and all of us can keep sharing and try to bring more awareness to all this stuff going on with us and other shops. I mean, this isn't just us, so it's a pretty big deal, and we need everybody to rile up behind us and make something happen. But I think we're gonna get out of here.
Yeah.
I'm beat.
Yeah.
It's been a long day.
I almost missed my alarms this morning coming in.
Because of last night?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, so we're trying. I'm gonna keep pushing on SHO'NUFF. You guys can see what it's gonna take. I think we got a good handle on how to get it done, and
it's looking great. I like how you're doing the wiring harness. Like, that's
yeah,
sweet.
I think it's gonna make it really nice, honestly.
Yeah.
I don't have to climb. It's already hard enough climbing around the car just to get the twine. So
I see it.
yeah,
like
so
a gymnast in there.
So I think we're gonna call that a night. Appreciate you guys watching. Give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you guys all tomorrow. Thanks for picking up all the merch. We got more coming. So get on the website, grab yourself some of our hot rod apparel, and keep us ripping. So thanks guys, appreciate you watching. See you tomorrow.